Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to replace a video in Invideo. In order to do this, first of all log into studio.invideo.io. After logging in, you will see your dashboard. On your dashboard, open any of the projects you are working on, or you can also go to create new and start a new project from scratch. So I'm going to open one of my recent projects. After navigating to your Invideo's editor, you will have to simply search for the video you want to replace your previous video with. So I will click on the videos option here and I will choose any of the videos from here. You can also click on the uploads button and search for an already existing video. But I'm going to click on videos and choose another video to replace it with. So I will replace this video on my timeline. Just left click on that video and drag it to the top of your video on your timeline. So I will drag it here on my screen and I will see these two options. The first one is replace and the second one is add as a layer. So if I would want to replace it, I will click on replace. Now I will have to choose the timing of my video. You can trim it here in this section and click on add. When you click on add, your previous video will be replaced with this new video that you dropped on your timeline. So the process is very simple. Just navigate to studioinvideo.io, navigate to videos. You can also search an uploaded video, left click that video and drag it at the top of your screen. That is your preview section. Click on replace and you'll be able to replace your video quickly. So that's the simple way through which you can replace a video in Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.